Hi, I'm Agent Weiss, and today I'm going to show you how to install a screen protector on your phone. I'll be using the Samsung Note 20 Ultra 5G phone and a Zagg Invisible Shield, along with the included accessories, but the steps should be similar for other screen protectors and devices. Here's what my Zagg kit includes: the screen protector, instructions, a cleaning wipe, the easy apply tray, a microfiber cloth, a squeegee, and a dust removal sticker. Again, that's just what my kit includes, but you can buy these items separately or use another kit with similar items. All right, let's get started. First, make sure the phone is turned off. Then, wash your hands or even wear latex gloves. Oil can create fingerprints, making it easier for them to get trapped on the screen under the protector. Then, pick a well-lit, clean space with a nice, flat surface. If you can, aim the light directly at the phone, just like at the dentist, so you can really see every small detail. Next, we'll clean the phone screen. You should do this even if the phone is brand new, right out of the box. Walking through this process will allow the screen protector to stick better and won't trap any small particles against the screen. Start by using the cleaning wipe like this. Make sure you get the entire screen, especially the corners. Then, use the microfiber cloth to wipe it dry. When it's completely dry, use the dust removal sticker to remove all the remaining particles, like this. Now, we'll put the phone in the Easy Apply tray. This helps with alignment so the protector will sit on the screen properly. With the pegs pointing up, set your phone in the tray, making sure the top of the phone is at the end of the tray marked Top. Now, take the screen protector and peel away the protective back using the tab marked number 1. Make sure you don't touch the exposed surface. Put the protector on the Easy Apply tray by fitting the cutouts on each tab over the correct peg on the tray. The exposed sticky side should be facing down, towards the face of the phone screen. The tray will hold the protector just above the screen. Now, run your finger across the width of the phone in one quick motion to anchor the protector in place. Then, starting at the center of the screen, run the squeegee to the top of the phone in one smooth motion. Start at the center of the screen again and run the squeegee down the rest of the phone in one smooth motion. Now, carefully peel away the top protective layer. Take your phone out of the Easy Apply tray and use the squeegee to smooth down the sides of the protector. Once again, move the squeegee in one smooth motion over the surface. Make sure you don't move it back and forth, as this can cause bubbles. And there you go! Hopefully this video was helpful. If it was, give it a like. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech tips from Best Buy. Thanks for watching!